What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yes, free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this from right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, The Hussle Family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and Turn Motivation into Means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you got to do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, so if any weird or random King Hussle page start writing you, trying to get you to spend some money with them, yo, you want to buy this method, yo, you want to do this, yo, you want to do that, is not me, alright? And before y'all send your money to anybody, be smart. Please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're seeing this face, you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today, I'm coming back with y'all. I've been giving lessons all day. I've been helping people out, been dropping gems, been putting people in all the right positions that they need to do to win, to get approved for loans, credit cards, lines of credits, business loans, you name it, explaining CPNs, you name it. So make sure y'all tap in and get y'all lessons. So I'm back to dropping gems, I'm back to making videos, and I'm back to helping my people out. And today I'm gonna be talking about a new place. Yes, a new place that's giving out signature loans, second chance signature loans, all right? And a lot of people don't know about them, but I'm gonna bring them to you today. So hope you got your business together. Hope you got everything in order, because we're gonna get paid today. So like I've been telling you guys in the beginning of every video, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you, because a lot of people still don't get it. A lot of people still don't get it. First of all, if you're under the age of 25, you're gonna have an extremely hard time getting a loan, especially a personal loan. All right, because at the end of the day, anyone under 25, 9 times out of 10 has no credit history, has no credit profile. Second, if you don't have a job, it's going to be extremely hard for you to get these bad credit loans too. Because if someone has a job, 9 times out of 10, they're getting direct deposit into their bank account, which means they're getting transactions and they're building a relationship with their bank. And these lenders are going to see that, all right? And 9 times out of 10, someone who does not have a job more than likely doesn't have a bank account, a checking or savings account, or they doesn't have a relationship with a bank, or they have a bank account and they do not make regular deposits into that bank account. All right, and these lenders see that, so that's another red flag. All right, third, if you're trying to get a $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 loan on your credit profile and you don't even have that much in debt, why would they want to give you a loan? All right, make it make sense. A lot of people just think that just because you have a bad credit and you can just get these loans, or you're self-employed and you turn in this document or that document, they're gonna approve you. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to be on top of your business. You have to make sure your credit report and your credit profile is A1. They can see you're making enough amount of money, you have enough debt, and that you're paying back on time. You have a bank account, checking and savings. You're making regular transactions. You have regular flow of money coming in and out that bank account. And then you're over 25 or older. I know you could be 18 or older to get approved for a loan, but you have a better chance if you're 25 or older, because you have some history, you have some age, and you have a lot of more things going on in life if you're doing what you're supposed to do in life. All right, so let's get back to it. How to build your credit, how to clean your credit, how to structure your credit profile report in order for you to get these bad credit loans, to get the loans that you need in order to improve your credit, in order to advance in life and elevate in life. All right, so like I told you guys, the first thing you want to do is get your credit report. Once you get your credit report, where you can see all the inquiries, all your collections, what's your credit score, how much what's some good credit cards for you, best car insurance for you. When you get that credit report, you want to update your information. All right, so you want to make sure your name is up to date, your address is up to date, number, email, all that good stuff like that, and all the old information, make sure you delete it off your credit profile. All right, get that on up out of there. Once you do that, all right, you want to get the collections. You want to see your report. You want to see everything that's on your report. And like I said, once you see everything on your report, you have 2 options. You can leave everything on your report, which will leave your credit aged, your credit report aged, or you can B, delete everything off your, clean up your credit report, delete some things, and de-age your credit report. And there's pros and cons to each. If you leave the things on your credit report, your credit report will be aged, which means all you're gonna have to do is start making payments on those accounts that's on your credit report, get those payment histories, those payments to back to exceptional payment, and you have an age account. You get points on your credit report, and then start making your credit profile look better. B, if you want to clean your credit report, everything on your credit report 7 years or older is deemed to be expired. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to freeze your 3 credit reports, your 3 credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Once you go, so you can go to TransUnion freeze, Experian freeze, Equifax freeze, and it'll bring you to the site. Once you go there, freeze all 3 of your credit reports. You're going to go back to where your collection is, all your credit, your collection, all your collections, and you're going to dispute those, because once you freeze your credit report, and those collection agencies or those whoever's going to check that report to make sure it's accurate, they can't get into your credit profile, so they have no choice but to delete it off your credit profile. All right, so once those starts dropping off, now you're cleaning up your credit. All right, so now you cleaned up your credit, now you're getting everything situated. So the next thing you want to do is build your credit. You want to add good debt to your credit profile so they can see that, and you can be in a better standard. Now understand this. When you add these trade lines, you want to make sure that you got your business together, because you don't want to procrastinate and do all this and then do this. You want to do everything at the same time. So by the time you clean everything off and you start adding these trade lines and things like that, you'll have a good opportunity to get the loan. So boom, you're going to go, if you're paying bills out there, anybody out there paying bills from rent, electricity, cell phone, gas, if you got streaming services from Hulu, Netflix, HBO Max, BET, Plus, any of those streaming platforms, Hulu, you can literally add that to your credit report. You can add every bill that you have to your credit profile, so you can start getting points. It would be trade lines. They can consider them as trade lines on your credit profile, so they just add it to your credit profile. Your rent, it'll be a trade line. So you paying $2,000 a month in rent. You probably paying $200 a month in gas and electricity, $100 a month in water. That adds up, so that you might got a $3,000 trade line on your credit report that's being reported, and that looks good. So you need that. So it's websites like eCredible, Credit Strong, Ava, Self, Credit Rent Boost. Those sites right there will guarantee to get you good credit, get you a high limit of points on your credit report in a month to boost you can get over 100 points in a month, almost close to 200 points if you add all those to your credit profile and you make those payments on time and you make an exceptional payment. All right, because with the credit rent boost, they'll go back 4 years, so that 2 years or 4 years is two, so the previous house you was at and then the current house you're at, then go back to that credit history, that payment history, they contact your landlord and then get the information from them, and then they'll get the landlord the information from your current landlord, and then they'll add it to your credit report. All right, so boom, once you add those trade lines, you can have up to $100,000 in trade lines. And like I said, you get these trade lines from these different sites, you're going to get those payments direct deposited out your bank account, because every month you're going to have to make a payment. As long as you get those direct deposited out your bank account, you're going to be on time, and it's going to reflect on your credit report as an exceptional payment history. All right, boom, that looks good. So now that you got all that together, and like I said, if you're self-employed, make sure you got a bank account, make sure you got a checking and savings account, make sure you're making regular deposits into that bank account so they can see the transaction history, more money going in than what's coming out, so it'll look good. If you got a job, make sure you're getting direct deposit, so you don't have to worry about none of that. All your money be going to your bank. You got to go to get your check, cash your check, none of that. It's already in your bank account, and they're going to see that, all right? So once you do all those things, now you're going to go to this place right here. A lot of people don't know about it, so I'm dropping gems, all right? Don'tBeBroke.com, Dollar Loan Center. They will give you up to a $5,000 signature loan with bad credit, no credit. They're giving people second chances. They're giving people the opportunity to get this loan, put it on their credit profile, spend the money how they need it, pay it back, and higher boost their credit limit, all right, with these loans, and help their personal credit out. So without further ado, let's check out Don't Be Broke Dollar Loan Center, all right? Let's see how you can get this $5,000. So today we're gonna be talking about Don't Be Broke Dollar Loan Center, right? And they got a lot of different options for you that you can go. So get funded on your phone. Signature loans up to $5,000. So let's check into that. All right, let's get started. So you can get up to $5,000 with a signature loan. Hold on, let me go back. So how do installment interest calculated? How do installment loans work? 24-hour returns, no hassle, no files, no fees. You can get an online loan funded between $100 and $5,000. We offer installment loans with flexible payment plans. You choose when your payments are due based upon when you receive the payback. When you make your payments, something is always being paid towards your principal, saving you money on your interest being paid. All you need to bring into essence to process the loan is a state ID, proof of income, most recent pay stubs, proof of address dated in the last 30 days. All right, so for instant debt card funding, a working debit card is needed to deposit the money directly into your checking account. The funds will be deposited and available for use within seconds. Like all transactions with Dollar Loan Center, these are confidential and secure. All right, so they give you your money in seconds. And this is for the secure loan, all right? That's what these are signature loans. All these is signature loans. How to make payments, all right? So they just tell you how to make payments right here. Signature loan. And they just break it on down for you, right? So within your installment loan, you can make the principal interest payment based upon the day you receive your payback until the loan is paid in full. You can pay your installment loans at once and make minimum payments or increase your payments so that you can pay down your loan more quickly, reducing interest fees. You can pay off your installment loans without any payment penalties. Our online members are always you to see account balance 24 hours a day. So you can basically pay this loan back fast and you won't be penalized, all right? And this is for the signature loan, bad credit signature loan, all right? Online bad credit signature loans. Tap in with them. Like I said, signature get up to 5 minutes. All you need is a location. All you need is a checking account. No collateral is required. There are never any early payment fees, all right? Lowest interest rates, no application fees, funded in minutes, no prepaid penalties, no accounts required. No accounts required. We do not require a checking account in order to get one of our loans, all right? So even better. So, Dollar Loan Center, don'tbebroke.com. Copyright 2023 Dollar Loan Center, all rights reserved, so you know this is a real site. Let's talk about it, all right? Tap in. Get you some money. So let's talk about it. Don't Be Broke Dollar Loan Center. We can get up to a $5,000 signature loan. You don't need a bank account, bad credit accepted, all that good stuff like that. Like I said, don't worry about the amount that you can get because like I said, there's different sites. You can always apply for multiple loans at one time. So if you want to go get you $5,000 signature loans, that's $25,000. You're just going to have an APR and you got to pay them back. It's up to you to pay it back. So when I'm giving you these sites, you can apply for them all at once and get them all at once and, have you $20,000. You can do one at a time and build it slowly and make it happen. So like I said, please pay attention to the information that I gave you in the beginning of the video so you can have a better chance of getting approved for these loans and you can get the money that you need to succeed so you can invest into yourself, into your brand, into your company, into your life so you can make it to the top of the pyramid. Now, everybody want to make it to the top of the pyramid, all right? And let's not forget, credit is the #1 money game in the world in your life. Credit revolves around everything that you do. Everything that you do, they ask what's your credit score, from getting cars to getting homes to getting credit cards. Anything that you do, they're going to want to know your credit score. So the best thing in life is to build your credit score so you can save you money. And what I mean by saving money is, okay, it's a lot of people out there that save. You got a husband and a wife and they save $20,000 on a down payment on this house that they want to buy. And once they spend that $20,000 on the down payment, they right back broke. But do you know that if you had your credit together, you had your business together, you could save that $20,000, go get a loan for $20,000, have $40,000, do what you need, spend that $20,000 on the house, have a $20,000 still in cash, pay back that loan and get a bigger loan and do. It's just credit helps you out. Credit saves you money, and this is what I want everybody out there to understand. I will continue to teach this credit game, this money game, and teach people how to make money, $1,000 a day, $10,000 a day, 20, 30. It doesn't matter. As long as there's money being printed, I'm going to teach you how to get it. Point blank, period. So you just got to pay attention. You got to understand what I'm saying. You got to take these gems. You got to take certain gems from certain videos and connect the dots and then run with it. You're going to take L's in life. You're going to bump your head in life. But as long as you learn from the mistakes, as long as you learn from them L's, as long as you heal them bumps, you will know what to do next time in order to be successful. All right? So while I'm saying that, make sure you're paying attention to these videos. Make sure you're not skipping through the video. Make sure you're hearing everything that I'm saying. Don't just watch it. Listen and hear what I'm saying, because this information is very valuable. I'm telling y'all, I want to be telling y'all to do something if I'm not doing it myself. I'm not the person that's going to be on YouTube flashing money, flashing this and flashing that. No, I'm going to be the person on here that's showing you how to invest, showing you what businesses I'm investing in, what this business made me, what that business made me, how much I can make in passive income. Because if I can do it, you can do it too, all right? So we all the same. We all got the same 24 hours. Let's use it wisely, and let's all elevate at the same time, all right? Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, new subscribers, and supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going, and y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce and keep y'all entertained. So I really do appreciate y'all, and I'm going to keep dropping this information and videos for y'all. I'm still looking for people for my production company: rappers, actors, cameramen, producers, content creators, models. Tap in with me. You got any good music out there, you ready to elevate, you ready to invest in, you ready to blow up in this game, tap in with me. Music reviews is $200. If you're not willing to invest $200 into yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into you? Y'all all want to send me money and tell me y'all the next big thing, you popping and this and that, but you do know it takes a lot of money to get yourself popping. It takes a lot of money to get you in certain situations and positions in this music and entertainment business. So if you're not willing to invest $200 into yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into you? All right, make it make sense. Any models out there, listen, I know you all beautiful. I know y'all all think y'all the queens, and y'all are. So listen, if you tired of being beautiful for free, you ready to get this money, you ready to make passive income, you ready to put yourself in position to be a boss, a queen, tap in with me. I'm going to make sure you get put in all the right positions to make every dollar that you need. We gonna make a lot of money together. We gonna have fun together. We succeed. We gonna win. I'm gonna put you in podcasts. I'm gonna put you in music videos. I'm gonna put you in movies. I'm gonna have you doing a lot of different things. So if you're ready to work, you got a good head on your shoulder, tap in. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. Point blank, period. All right? It's a lot of beautiful women out there with bad attitudes, with their head stuck up that, that's not going to work. I need good, solid women to work with. All right? So take that in consideration. If you're beautiful and you got a good attitude, tap in with me. I guarantee you I'm going to help you make a lot of money, make you start a business, help you do everything you need to do in life. All right? Any cameraman out there, you got a good camera, you got good editing skills, tap in with me. Any producers out there, tap in with me. Any content creators out there, tap in with me. You got at least 500 subscribers and 2,000 watch time hours. Tap in with me. We gonna make money together. We gonna elevate together. Anybody out there looking to make $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month off YouTube? It's called YouTube automation, where you can make a YouTube channel and make a lot of money, passive income, $10 to $100,000 a month without showing your face. All right. $500. If you want me to create your channel and add up to 5 videos for you with SEOs, it would be $1,000. All right, and we could talk about if you still need me to help you after that. So make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all come get y'all cash cow YouTube channels, the YouTube automation. Make sure y'all come get y'all lessons. FaceTime one-on-one lessons, basic lessons is $500. Advanced lessons is $1,000. Unlimited gems, FaceTime one-on-ones is $2,000. Book your seat right now in person for your in-person unlimited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 if I got to come out of state. $500 deposit, all right? Once you book your seat, I'm going to pull up or you pull up and we're going to get to work. You're going to start making this money ASAP. I'm going to help you create things and do things and documents and all that good type of stuff like that, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all coming to win with me. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down. I'll see you at the next video. I'll see you at the next gym session. Peace.